Airdrop I'm about to share with you. As February 7, we have about 2.5 million users and about 30 million transaction plus. And currently, I actually farming the testnet. And I tell you, the good thing about it is that until you watch this particular video to the end, we will be sharing with you the major gist about this particular airdrop. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification for anytime we upload any other new video. So the particular airdrop token I'm talking about is called the Ari chain. Is actually bustling now on the X app, and there's rumors that they might actually get their 3G may actually be coming very soon. So let's dive in so I could show you some of those things that you need to do if you haven't started farming this particular Ari chain. Now currently now people are already buying the test net tokens, yes, and I tell you, any particular airdrop test net token that you see that people are buying before their 3GG or the listening date, I tell you, those particular token you need to farm them, just like the way Pi did before the Pi listening date. People were already buying it, and also currently now Ruby. Also, if you haven't watched my video, go and watch it. People are already buying it, despite the TGE hasn't even currently happened and the listener hasn't happened, and also these are reaching. So let me show you something. So you could just kindly come and touch for Ari wallet and just download this particular one that you are seeing right here. I'll be dropping my referral code in the description of this particular video. Please kindly make sure you use it. So if you have downloaded it, this a particular token that is based on the Web3. And when we are talking about Web3 projects that actually do it. So after you have downloaded everything using the referral code, you will be brought to an interface like this. What you just need to do is to tap on testnet. So when you tap on testnet, you have to just do what you have to do daily is just once. We have the daily check-in and we have the quiz section. So once you perform your daily check-in, you are done with that particular day. The next thing is that you have to answer the daily quiz, and you have the daily quiz question, and if you're able to get it, you'll be given 10 Ari token. So for your daily login, you always get 10 Ari token. For today is done already. You can see that today is 7, so I've done it and I've so received it. So if you could continue logging every day, there's some certain days that you'll be given way more than 10 years for consecutive logging in. You could see on this particular day I was given 40 for consecutive logging in. So you need to be very punctual. You don't need much thing to do, and you don't need to keep your app open. Yes, and you could see now that currently buying it, you could see the received. That means when you buy, if you believe in the project, which I'm very bullish believing on them, you can actually buy. Anyone who wants to, I want to say anyone you have mine, you can actually click on this particular cell, then the person send you his wallet. So yeah, on this umbrella you can check your assets. Currently you can see my asset over there, and when you come to this particular page, is talking about your wallet, your memo you want to send to anybody. And yes, so on this particular place here, when I tap on this three line, which here, which you are seeing there, let me tap on it. Yes, so you see your referral codes here. So this is the place for the quiz section. This is the place for the quiz section where you can actually answer each day quiz, and you can see the daily check-in beneath it. You can see for today I'm done with that, and you could tap close. You can see on day 17, on the day 14 I'll be giving 50, yes, for consecutive logging in. So that is for that. So what do you know about Ari token? Are you really bullish that this particular token is really going to take us out of trends? If you believe that, please, I want to see you in the comment section of this particular video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye.